Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to get 3 items for 99 cents on AliExpress. AliExpress often runs promotions where you can grab 3 items for a very low price, usually 99 cents as a limited time or new user offer, and here's how to take advantage of it. Promotions like this are app exclusive, so make sure you have the latest AliExpress mobile app installed on your device. Log in to your account and go to the AliExpress homepage. Look for banners or sections like 3 items for 99 cents, new user deals or super deals. You can also use the search bar then type 3 items for 99 cents. Only certain products qualify for this promotion, so tap on each item to make sure it's marked as 99 cents for 3 or similar. Add 3 items to your cart, which the app usually won't let you check out unless it is exactly 3. The discount is often applied automatically at checkout. Make sure to check a coupon or promo code if mentioned in the item description or banner. Now complete the checkout process and pay the total of 99 cents, and shipping might be extra depending on the item. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.